In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to create a voice memo and add it within Messages app, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Now operate those options at the bottom. Microphone 1 to record your voice memo, and the same now red one to end it. Now you can listen to it and decide if you want to restart it or attach it. If you wish to add already existing audio file, use this plus on the left. Select Files. Tap on Audio at the top, or select it from one of those apps. If you still can't find it, most people miss that you can click on those three lines at the top left corner and check in one of those sources, like Downloads. Either way, after finding your file, tap on it. Now, when it comes to videos, you can attach one you already have and create a new one by clicking on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to record your video within Messages app, use camera portion of your screen. When you will finish, it will be automatically attached, so you can send it. If you want to pick already existing one, use the same button and this time hold this line and drag it up to access contents of your gallery. Find video you wanna attach. Hit Done at the bottom right corner and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!